I try, but you hired not an actor. Hi, I'm Reto Haupt, working as a controller at AMAG Retail. AMAG is a Swiss company in the energy and in the automotive sector. The plan for AMAG is also to shape the future of the mobility also in Switzerland. Before Acterys, we had Excel solution in place for our planning. We had one master Excel in place, what we prepared for the planning cycle. And after that, we multiplied that Excel 500 times approximately for over every cost center owner. But before that, we needed to download the data from the SQL. The controller also was always forced to upload again the entered data for the planning. It was time consuming and it was also a little bit frustrating because it happened quite often that we had a mistake. We never had this full integrated view on the whole company or on the whole business unit. We decided for Acterys because we wanted to have a planning solution which is integrated in Power BI. Second was the security. The third one was the usability, easy to handle for the end users. Integrate different data sources. It's also important to have like the simulation of scenarios. And we thought that Acterys really has like this release plan, which we really liked. So the time frame was approximately 5 months with doing the whole data model. We saw that the end user was really surprised that he entered the data. You see, you have the integrated view and you see the impact so fast and you can like change the budget. We are approximately 50% faster than before. And that's mainly because we do the copy very fast. And after that, we have an integrated view on the whole planning over all the departments and over all these profit centers. The status of the planning is then done or approved much faster by the management. We can go more and more in this artificial intelligence sector to enable this predictive planning, for example. My time is much more balanced, less stressful during the planning cycle, and it's good for my work-life balance. All in all, it's really like, for us, it's a success story.